Space tourism, once a concept reserved for science fiction, is becoming a reality. But here's the big question: will the next decade make space travel accessible to the everyday person, or will it remain a playground for billionaires? Stick around, because what we're about to uncover will leave you rethinking the boundaries of human exploration. To understand where space tourism is heading, let's take a moment to look at where we are now. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic have already sent private citizens to space. In 2021, Jeff Bezos and Richard Branson took their inaugural flights, while SpaceX's Inspiration 4 mission sent a crew of civilians into orbit. The price tag? Anywhere from $250,000 to tens of millions of dollars. For now, space tourism is a luxury reserved for the ultra-wealthy. But is this about to change? The answer lies in technological advancements and market competition. Over the next decade, advancements in reusable rocket technology could significantly reduce the cost of space travel. SpaceX's Starship, for example, is designed for full reusability, aiming to bring costs down to a fraction of current levels. Meanwhile, Blue Origin is developing the New Glenn rocket, and other players like Rocket Lab are entering the scene. According to experts, the cost of sending 1 kilogram to orbit has dropped from $85,000 in the early 2000s to just $1,500 today. And it's still falling. But cost isn't the only hurdle. Before space tourism can go mainstream, companies must address safety and regulatory concerns. Each launch must meet stringent guidelines, and the risks are still significant. Remember, even small malfunctions in space can have catastrophic consequences. The Challenger and Columbia disasters remain somber reminders of these dangers. Would you risk your life for the experience of a lifetime? Despite these risks, demand is growing. In fact, there's already a waiting list of thousands eager to be among the first space tourists. According to a recent report by UBS, the space tourism market could grow to $4 billion annually by 2030. This growth will create jobs, stimulate innovation, and even open opportunities for space hotels. That's right, orbital hotels like the Voyager station are already in development, promising to offer luxury accommodations in space. Imagine waking up to a view of Earth from your bedroom window, but here's the catch. While the idea of space tourism is thrilling, it raises ethical and environmental questions. Rockets produce significant carbon emissions, contributing to climate change. With the urgency of Earth's environmental crises, some argue resources should focus on solving problems here, rather than exploring the stars. What would you prioritize? On the other hand, proponents argue that space exploration drives technological progress that benefits life on Earth, from satellite communication to medical advancements. In the next decade, we can expect space tourism to evolve in 3 key ways. 1. Lower costs. As competition heats up, ticket prices will continue to drop, potentially reaching the upper middle class. 2. New destinations. Beyond suborbital flights, companies are eyeing lunar tourism. SpaceX plans to send civilians around the moon by 2025, while NASA's Artemis program aims to establish a lunar base. 3. Longer stays. Space hotels and orbital stations could allow tourists to spend days or even weeks in space. But will space tourism ever be accessible to everyone? For space tourism to truly take off, innovation must meet inclusivity. Companies will need to develop cost-effective solutions and ensure safety measures for all demographics. Imagine schools offering field trips to space or families planning vacations among the stars. While this may sound far-fetched today, the next decade could bring it closer to reality than you think. The future of space tourism is both exciting and uncertain. It promises unparalleled experiences but comes with significant challenges. So what do you think? Will you be booking a ticket to space in the next decade, or are you waiting for the industry to mature? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights into the future of innovation. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars.